Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on PowerPoint, you just go to settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will enter to PowerPoint app. Here in this page you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.